Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon for more videos. Today, we are presenting some ideas on recycling old bicycles and parts for unique furniture. In the era of sustainability and creative upcycling, repurposing old items has become a popular trend. One area that has caught the attention of both eco-conscious individuals and design enthusiasts is the recycling of old bicycles and their parts to create unique furniture pieces. Transforming discarded bicycles into functional and aesthetically pleasing furniture not only reduces waste but also adds a touch of novelty to interior and outdoor spaces. When it comes to recycling bicycles for furniture, the possibilities are virtually endless. Frames can be repurposed as the base for tables, chairs, or even beds, providing a sturdy and unconventional foundation. Handlebars can be creatively utilized as boat racks or towel holders, combining functionality with a quirky design element. Wheels can be transformed into chandeliers or even used as decorative wall hanging, showcasing the intricate beauty of their spokes. Moreover, bicycle parts such as gears, chains, and pedals can be ingeniously incorporated into furniture designs, adding a touch of industrial charm. Gears can serve as a decorative accent on tabletops or be repurposed as hooks for hanging items. Chains can be creatively intertwined to form unique patterns on chair backs or used as curtain tie bands. Pedals can be cleverly integrated into footrests or incorporated into the legs of stools, offering a distinctive touch. Recycling old bicycles and parts of furniture not only promotes sustainability but also encourages creativity and individuality. Each piece of furniture crafted from repurposed bicycle components tells a story, preserving the nostalgia and history of the bicycle itself. Furthermore, these unique furniture creations become conversation starters as they reflect the ingenuity and resourcefulness of their creators. In addition to the environmental and design benefits, recycling bicycles for furniture can also support local artisans and craftsmen. Independent furniture makers can specialize in repurposing old bicycles, thereby creating job opportunities and contributing to the growth of sustainable and innovative industry. Recycling old bicycles and parts for unique furniture serves as a testament to the power of creative reuse. By transforming discarded items into functional and visually appealing pieces, we can breathe new life into old objects while reducing our environmental impact. Whether it's a conversation-worthy chair, a captivating table, or an eye-catching wall decoration, furniture made from recycled bicycles adds a distinct touch to any space, while championing sustainability and individual expression. I hope you were inspired to watch these ideas till the end. Which one of these ideas was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you would like to keep up to date with my latest videos about DIY projects, woodworking, metalworking, furniture ideas and more, you can subscribe us and click the bell icon for notification when we upload a new video to the channel.